It was a Friday night, if I remember right. I had my suit on and my dancing shoes. Ready to shuffle, I'm ready to skank at the downtown steady rockin' blues. In came a man with a girl by the hand. He was huge, what an odd romance. Cause she was nice, and when he sat down at the bar, I went over and I asked her to dance. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I was dancing with another man's wife. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. Now I deserved a beating, but the guy was busy eating, having the time of his life. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I was dancing with another man's wife. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. Now I deserved a punching, but man, the guy was munching, having the time of his life. I put my left foot in, I put my left foot out, doing it dancing up and about. We were getting in the groove, making all kinds of moves. Could have sworn that I heard him shout. So I turned around, thinking, what's that sound? I never heard anything like that before. When I caught his eye, all he did was sigh as he went on and he reached for more. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I was dancing with another man's wife. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I got ready for a beating, but the guy was busy eating, having the time of his life. All right. Yeah. That's right. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I was dancing with another man's wife. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I wonder if he's back in, but man, he asked for seconds, having the time of his life. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. I was dancing with a fat guy's wife. I was dancing with a fat man's lady. While we were almost mating, the guy was masticating, having the time of his life. It was a Friday night, if I remember right.
One you love somebody else. If you feel you're in the middle of hell, if you're down and out and your heart's broken to a dirty smile, oh smile. If the pain is so strong that no painkiller works, you would have cancelled your birth if you known how it hurts. When you're trembling and freezing and your heart is an ice cube, smile. Oh smile, smile. When you feel like crying, smile. When you feel like dying, smile. Cause your well isn't greasing if you got that $1 million smile on your face. Smile. Use the friends when you're happy, smile. If you're in trouble, don't tell me being out of luck is a contagious disease. Cause your goddamn job in this world is to please everyone. happy, smile. If you're in trouble, don't tell me being out of luck is a contagious disease. Cause you got them sharp in this world is to please everyone.